What's up, my Mind Your Money business folks? It's me yet again with another video. Oop, I need my water. All right, with today's stock market, right? So what's going on? It says the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ move higher with Apple earnings in the wings. So let's see what's going on. It says U.S. stocks struggled gained steam on Thursday afternoon as investors digested megacap earnings and waited for Apple results for more clues on prospects for big tech. The S&P 500 gained 0.7%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose above 0.6%. The tech-heavy NASDAQ Composite was up 0.5%. Let me take a look. Refresh. Yeah, everything is in the green still. You know, the market is going to be open for another 28 minutes. So it says here, after the Federal Reserve stood pat on interest rates as expected, it was as expected, investors have turned to parsing earnings reports and in particular the first wave of results from the Magnificent Seven, companies that have driven broader stock market gains. Tesla stock ticked higher despite an earnings miss as investors took on trust its vow to return to growth in 2025. Interesting. It says here Meta, Facebook, quarterly earnings beat helped lift its shares, but Microsoft stock stomped down 6% after its cloud revenue fell short. So you have to pay attention to these earnings report because now that is something that can affect the price of stocks going up and down. These earnings report, any reports about the company, its CEO, like the drastic drops that we've taken last few days over DeepSeek AI out of China and other things that you can't really account for, nor can you give a good justification on why these stock prices went down. But earnings report, Federal Reserve interest rate reports, these inflation reports, those things can actually affect the stock market. So you have to pay attention. Either way, back to the article. It says faith in big tech was put to the test after DeepSeek's cheaper IA model rattled assumptions about the likelihood of a payoff. The focus was on the rationale for their massive AI investment. Again, DeepSeek and the assumption people made, and the stocks in the tech market, well, all over the market, went down. Apple, whose stock has been hit with multiple downgrades, is scheduled to report earnings after the bell today. Investors will scrutinize its quarterly updates for signs its iPhone sales are doing better than feared. Chipmaker Intel is also expected to post results. You know, that word fear. Fear is powerful, people. Fear is what's keeping a lot of us from investing more, or keeping people from investing, period. Fear is keeping people in debt. Fear is major. It's major, people. Again, I look at fear, I learned a long time ago, like this little short definition, like false evidence appearing real. Work through it. So meanwhile, MasterCard stock jumped to an all-time highs after the payment card company's profit came in better than expected, per Visa will report later in the day. The Bureau of Economic Analysts' advanced estimate of fourth quarter gross domestic product showed that U.S. economy grew at an annualized pace of 2.3%, below the 2.6% expected by economists surveyed by Bloomberg. Meanwhile, American Airlines CEO Robert Isom expressed condolences following the collision between an American passenger jet and a U.S. Army helicopter on Wednesday night. Yeah, I saw the headlines on that. We're absolutely heartbroken for the family and the loved ones and the passengers and the crews. Yeah, so that's it with the market today. So let me hit another refresh. You know, my S&P 500 ETF isn't up much. It's up 0.10%. Nvidia is down 0.09%. Tesla's up currently a little over 4.5%. Broadcom is up 5%. Apple is up 0.10%. Serve Robotics up it's up over 3%. Micron Technologies up a little over 4%. Palantir's up a little over 2%. Yeah. What is my S&P 500 SPLG at currently? SPLG is up 0.6%, 0.5%. Yeah, so that's it in the market. We're just waiting on Apple's earnings report after the bell and see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, so it's Friday here where I'm located. I'm off to work. So I'm going to end this here. So like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think, if you think anything at all. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I pretending to be one. Any and all information on my channel and in my videos are for entertainment purposes only. And I'm just reading these reports and tracking certain stocks that you may be interested in. But you need to invest, people. Get off the sidelines and invest into your future. Invest into something, into assets that's growing in value, not depreciating assets. Paper stocks are assets that grow. Real estate grows. Gold. I'm not a fan of cryptocurrency, but I believe it will become a major player in the future. Yeah, I do. Get out of debt. Lower your debt to income ratio. Live below your means. So that's all I have for today. All right, so you guys have a blessed one. Take care. Love you. Bye.